Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to adjust the balance of your radio speakers, so between left and right sided speakers and front and rear speakers. This video should apply to Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. And also to Ford Edges equipped with ForkSync 3. Now I'm pretty sure all of these second generation Edges will have ForkSync 3. If you have a ForkSync 2, your display here will look a bit different and then the process will be a bit different as well. And that might only apply to 2015 or 16. And yeah, also if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so you will adjust your speakers here on the main dashboard screen. So what you want to do, I hope you can see what I'm doing because it's quite sunny. You will press the settings button in the bottom right corner and then you will select the sound. And here on the top, okay, you can adjust your bass, mid-range and treble, but to play with the speakers and the balance and fade, you will press on this tab. And now you will see at my vehicle all four speakers are working equally, right? Because this like small blue ball is in the middle. Now if I go all the way to the left, for example, only the left sided speakers will be working. And then if I go here all the way down, this means only the left rear speakers will be working, so none of the other speakers will work. And same thing, if I go all the way here, only the right rear will be working. If I move it here to the middle, that means the sound will be distributed equally between the rear speakers. If I do it maybe like here, that means like, I don't know, like 70% of sound will come from the right rear speaker and 30% from the left rear speaker. And you can play with this as much as you want, because I know sometimes if you have people on the back seats, they might want to listen to the music while you at the front seat want to talk to the other person next to you. So in that case, you can play with this and set it up to your liking. I will return it how it was now, but yeah, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.